First thing we're going to do is come in and make some marks. Doesn't matter what you make. Goal is to ignore these lines. So in the end, we're going to have 6 finalized pieces for this video. Okay, I'm going to come in with this Permanique marker, and we're going to get really bold. Make some bold marks through here. Again, doesn't matter what you make, as long as I try to go through every section. Do you want some smaller lines maybe? Nah. I think I want some even fatter lines. So I'm going to come in with my Deco Color marker, and we're going to be covering all of this up. So keep that in mind. This is just about being free, making marks. You don't want to cover up the whole paper in black. That would be bad. Okay. Ooh, we made a big mess. Awesome. So I'm going to come in straight away with some Nico Azo Gold, if I can get it to work. I'm just going to put down some marks through here. I'm going to come back in with a color shaper with a little bit of water to it. Let's get this covered. Okay, want a little bit more up here. Oh, that's way too much, but oh well. The goal is just to be very random about it, and then we'll pick out sections that we like after we take the tape off. Okay, we're going to go back in with a little bit of unbleached titanium and sort of just knock back some of these areas a little bit. Again, you can use whatever color you want. The idea is that we're just creating transparent layers to work with. And don't be hung up on composition at this point. Just sort of do what you feel is a good fit, right? And we're just sort of putting things down. Make sure that you are drying between layers. I like how this white is covering up these a little bit. Okay, so I've got these little bits of jelly printed tissue paper, and I'm just gonna lay those down. Okay, I found this paper over there as well, which is like tissue paper that I marked up with Caran d'Ache Neocolor 1s. It's like a wax crayon, so it is permanent, doesn't smudge. So we're gonna lay some of those down. Let's get a little bold. Add some of this fluorescent pink with these little stamps that I made from foam. I'm just gonna add those in and see what happens. Just to give a little, I've been a little obsessed with this pink color lately. I bought it for a different purpose, but I really am liking the color with the ochre. I'm just brushing it on. You could probably roller it out if you wanted to. these are working out. Let's put it in an angle. It's a little less bright when it's done this way, I think. But you kind of get the idea. I kind of want some on this black. Okay. I think I want to add some more of this pink in through some of these. So we're just going to add in, oh, just going to paint all over. Just add a bit more color. Pink is fabulous, isn't it? It's fabulous. Because I don't like, I like to have it in bits of 3. We've talked about that before, about using color to bring your eye around pieces. Don't be too fussy about it. That's kind of nice. Okay. I'm going to come in with a bit more black in some of these spaces. Like, I think that needed something there. I like the contrast of the black and the pink. Like, I think it needs just a bit more boldness through here, maybe. The pink's a little dried out. And now it's way too wet. Just playing, really. It's a fun part about doing things this way is that you just get to, oh, I like that. That sort of graffiti looking kind of thing. A bit down here. Okay. I'm going to come back in with some white and kind of knock back some of these areas. Just a little. Maybe that's, oh, I kind of like that. And maybe I don't like it. This is really nice through here. I don't know if this one needs a little bit. And then after we get some of this white down, I think I want to add, come back in with some Caran d'Ache, or actually, I think I'll use the Lyras. I'm going to add some blue, some more of this turquoise blue. So I feel like that's a good color. Through here. This is one of the things I like to do when I get stuck. I want to explore a different palette. It's a good way to get practice in your work. I mean, let's face it, everything I do is practice. I might want to come back in with a little bit of palette knife. Kind of break up that color a little bit. This one needs more solid. And now we can really start picking out areas that we like. Think about how we're going to finish these pieces. I like these marks. It's looking a little too pristine, I think. You know me, I don't like pristine. Get some good marks going through here. Okay, let this dry, and I'll get out the Lyras. So I got these three colors, light blue, dark orange, and apple green we're gonna play with. So I'm basically just gonna start making some marks through here. Gonna add in some of these lines. Add some texture, some shapes. I'm not sure if I'll use all the colors. Already got that blue there, maybe just through here. Just working intuitively. Not so worried about the outcome. Ooh, that blue really works with that neon. It's nice. I've got some really cool marks right through here. Bring in put these lines through here. Maybe you want to emphasize those a little bit more. Do you have a favorite already? I think this one's my favorite. These Lyras are water soluble, so you could use some water with them. I don't think I'm going to do that today. I think I'm just going to kind of see. Do we want the green? I don't know about the green. Maybe the green. Let's see what the green looks like. Maybe a little bit of the green. Oh, the green is nice. Kind of experimenting with like, what does it look like there? Like that's a really fun color combo. Like that. What shapes do we already have in here? We've got little tiny squares. Little tiny squares are good. Got some, just a line going down there, maybe. Actually, I kind of like all of these. Get you some down here. I think the green is successful. It works. What does it look like with this black? That's good. Maybe fatter shape. I think the fun part about this is that you never know. You don't know what's going to come out. Like, you don't know how it's going to turn out in the end because it's unplanned. That's what makes it fun. At least in my opinion. I want another one of those lines coming down there. I think we're going to come back in with this yellow gold ochre. Because we've already got some of that color in there. I think the orange would just be adding another color, and I don't want to. I've already got a lot of color going on here. Let's see. And we can just bring out some more of. Build up those layers a little bit. need some what are you thinking? Is it too much? I don't know, might be too much. Nah, can't be too much, can it? I like doing these also on watercolor paper because the watercolor has the ability to withstand a lot of layers that other paper, even mixed media paper, doesn't. So it works for me. And this is just like cheapo water paper. I kind of like lines. I think we need some more shapes, maybe. I'm feeling like I like that. Let's do some more of that. Just another layer of mark making. Kind of needed something to bring it together, don't you think? So I really like all the layers going here. I think this is a good piece. This one's nice. Does it look better this way? I think it looks better this way. I like the scratchy marks. That one's probably my least favorite. This one I really like. I think it looks good this way. But I also kind of like it this way. Might need more black on this one, maybe. What if we... Even though it's right down the middle, I sort of love it. I think I need, like... I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay. This one I think is really good, although I kind of lost the white over here. What if we did that? Ooh, that's fun. That kind of makes it come together a little bit. Yes, definitely like that one. Okay, this one also I think needs a little bit more black. I think it needs more up there. Yeah, I kind of like that flow. I like this color going on over here. So mount that up so you can see it. Okay, let's look at them all together and see what they look like. All right, there they all are. I like them. I think they're fun. I love the pink and the black and the green and the blue. It's kind of got like this graffiti feel to it, which is kind of fun. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope this was fun for you. I hope you try something like this yourself. If you make a video, tag me in it so I can go see. And I will be back this weekend with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.